get that ooh, baby. Baby, I get that ooh.
I am in my bathroom. I'm about to put this wig on. My video had messed up the last time, so as y'all know, this is a couple of days later. But I have washed one of my old wigs right here, and it smells so good. I did a good job, but I washed one of my old wigs. I want to see how it comes out, if it looks good. If so, if I can make it come back to life, then we good, okay? So that's what I'm about to do right now. There is some still spots that I see was brown, but I'm gonna just spray it with my spray. But we're gonna see if this could hold up for just like a couple of days, just a couple of days, okay? So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to braid my hair, and we about to get into work.
I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary to make you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake the tab, and no. I've been down, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you. Wishing I was giving what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night first. Lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. Believe it when if I did you.
So y'all, I am actually done. So I didn't really want to go too crazy with putting like some tight curls, as you can see. So I definitely have to invest and get me some new curlers to curl my hair, because this is definitely old. Y'all see it? It's old. So it did do the job of what I had wanted to do. This is a U-part wig. So basically, I didn't want to put the lace front on, and that lace front was extremely long. It was like 30 inches, but I had a little vibe that I wanted to do with it. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it another time. Maybe I'll wear it for another day. So this is just a little U-part wig. I believe this is like, I'm thinking it's 18 inch, but then again, it looks, because I'm tall, so it's like kind of confusing. And I got so much U-part wig, so I forgot how long this is. I'm thinking it's 18 inches though, but if not, this hair is beautiful. I did receive this hair the last time. If you have not seen my video the last time, I will link it down below, this hair information. But it came out so dope. I'm about to do my makeup and everything, and I gotta do some work today and some editing. I gotta get to it and get back into the groove. Okay, so let me go and finish doing that, and I'll come back. I guess I'll come back after I finish like really getting everything together.
straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game is vacant. Niggas act like the sun been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm kinda good now, with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She factory said it went with Tremel Prom. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and L this shit is together, won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I don't take the shit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, chopping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starting in the matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. And the bricks came white like shady. Got a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white boys, no radical. Keep you a 5, don't let them take it. If they get charged, you gotta get straight. I cut you up, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got the rap when you see me. And back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a 3-piece. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me.
Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
I just came back from taking my little nap, but I'm about to cook some food for the fam. And this light is so bright in my face, but excuse me. But yes, I'm about to cook some food for my fam and get this on the roll. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet. I did take out some ground turkey, so could possibly be meatloaf, you know, I don't know. But I'm about to go right now and we about to cook. So while I was sleeping, my wonderful husband cut up everything for me. I'm gonna show y'all. So I am making cabbage, which is right here. He cut that up for me. And then he did little green peppers and red peppers and red onions to put in the meatloaf. But he did the thing. Thank you. So y'all, they are gone. They had to go get the rest of the stuff for me so I could start doing my thing. But I got this. I wanted to show y'all my little apron, my cooking little apron. I'm about to put it on right now just for y'all. But yeah, so this is my apron. I don't even know how to open this. I got this from Walmart. It was super duper cute. I got this actually last year, and I'm wearing it right now because I feel like wearing it today. Okay, so the front says happiness is only a cupcake away. We're not doing no cupcakes, but it's cute. So I'm about to cook right now in this, and you know, be cute cooking, like really be cute cooking. Okay, so I am making, I think I should put my hair up. I think this should be fine because it's not gonna be in my way. But I'm gonna be cooking, like I said before, my cabbage right here is already chopped up. My ground turkey, which is already kind of defrosted. So this is my ground turkey I will be using. And I'm gonna go in my cabinet. I forgot to tell him to get, I cannot find my bowl. That's the only thing that I'm missing is my bowl. Let me see. Aluminum pan. This pan is actually mad thin. I don't know if this is going to be sturdy enough to hold that meatloaf, but it should be sturdy enough to hold that meatloaf. So I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. No, I cannot. So everything is clean already. I just have some items like the macaroni and cheese and the tomato sauce that I will be using for the meatloaf on the counter. So that is what I'm about to do right now. So stay tuned.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
The next day.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities, for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited.
Okay, so you would like it as
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead.
It focuses now.
What's up, y'all? So I'm in my kitchen right now. I am trying to make me an egg sandwich. I'm hungry. I gotta do a vlog right now, so I kind of put my makeup on. I took my son to school and your girl is getting to it right away, so that's what I'm doing right now, making me a little sandwich first before I even start my day off. And I know I shouldn't be doing this, eating before I do a video, but I'm hungry. Your girl is hungry. I even got my stand. I'm holding the camera with my hand. That's how hungry I am right now. I don't know what I ate last night. I just know that I cooked for my husband and my son. They had he had fried shrimp, broccoli, and macaroni and cheese. My son had fried chicken, broccoli, macaroni and cheese, because my husband does not eat meat. So we about to cook and eat right now.
I claps.
Y'all, I snatched that freaking wig off so freaking fast because it is hot. It's too hot for a wig, and I want to make sure my hair is breathing at this point because it's too hot for a wig. Extremely too hot. So I'm gonna put box braids in my hair, so the next time y'all see me, y'all gonna see me with some box braids. Well, I don't know, because you know I'll be switching up my mind, so we gonna see how it is. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time because I got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna see y'all next time.